This is the Merrill 535M rocker arm for the Merrill R-6000 series hydrants. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. Now it is a full metal assembly. Some things to notice about it, you got those kind of two, almost like a fork shape here. You've got that hole in the center and it kind of bulges, and then down to that more narrow end there. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of the piece, starting with a total length. It'll measure right at just above 3.5 inches. And we can also get a width. At the widest part there, the width measures right at 1 inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Merrill 535M rocker arm.